Hello Divi members, my name is Tavskulati and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Divi agency child theme. Yeah, that's true. This is a documentation video and I will explain you about how you can edit the header, how you can edit the footer and some advanced CSS and some advanced sections that we are using. Okay, I'm not going to cover the basic thing of this child theme, but yeah, definitely I'm going to cover the most advanced or kind of those sections that a beginner can't understand, or it makes difficult to understand. Okay. So now to edit the header, you just have to go to the dashboard, and once you are in the dashboard, you just have to click on this Divi. Sorry, not click, just hover over to the Divi, and then you have to go to this theme builder. Once you click on this theme builder, you will see a lot of theme builder stuff over here. The default website template 404, all author pages, search result, category, and all those stuff. Okay, so now to edit the footer, you just have to click on this, but to edit the header, you have to click on this pencil over here which says global header, and once you click on this pencil, this is a normal header. This is built using the normal Divi builder, so don't worry about that. We are not using any custom CSS and any other language. Okay, but yeah, one thing over here, if you see, this is the kind of white background and you can't see anything. It's just this let's talk and the image over here. But let me explain you why this is happening. This is because if you see at the main demo of the website, okay, let me just open the main demo over here, agency.duogeeks.com. Let me just okay. Now if you see, the header is actually at front side, and if you see the digital agency and all those stuff, this is the background of that header. Okay, so that's the reason we have to make the header transparent, and that's the reason there is nothing visible over here. Okay, so now to make this visible, you just have to click on this section settings, and then this is the background over here. We have to use the transparent one. Okay, now transparent looks like this one. Okay, so don't mix with the white and transparent, both are different. Okay, now for example, if I make this black, now you can see everything clearly over here. Okay, so now to edit the header, you can use the background color, and okay, now once you are done, then you can just remove the background and make it transparent to work like this transparent header. Okay, let me just tell you how you can edit this one. Now to edit the logo, you just have to click on this settings, and then logo over here, you just have to click on this, and this is the media library. So if you have a logo over here, you can just use this one, but if you don't, then you can upload the logo from your system as well. Okay, the next thing is the menu over here. If you can see, so this is the primary menu that we are using, but if you want, you can create more menus, for example secondary or third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. No. Okay, now if you want to edit the styling, so you just have to click on this design, menu text, change the color, font, weight, and everything. This is kind of a basic Divi builder, so I'm not going to cover that. Now at the right side, you can see this let's talk button over here, so that can be linked to any other page or any other whatever you want to put. Okay, now this is the alignment of the button. Yeah, that's okay. So now let me just save this page because I do. Okay, oh sorry. Let me just delete the background, or actually let's make this transparent, because if I just refresh this page, now this will show the black background color because I have saved that. Now this don't look good, right? Okay, let me just delete this one and let's save it. And now let's go to the demo version and let's see how it looks like. Okay, now this looks perfect. Okay, now we are done with the header. Let's move to the footer, which is over here, and let me just explain you, because we are using two footers actually over here, because to make this thing responsive for mobile and tablet and desktop, obviously, so we have to make this footer in two parts. Sorry, two parts. Yeah, two parts. Okay, now this is loading, so once this is done, I will explain you. Now as you can see over here, we are having three sections, I guess. Yeah, okay, three sections we are having for the footer, but you might be guessing why we are having 3 sections over here instead of just one like this we can see over here. The first section is for the desktop only, and these two, like the second and this one third one, this is for mobile and tablet. Okay, so don't get confused, and you have to edit both or 3 of them to make that work for all devices. Okay, now let me tell you how you can edit this. So this is simply a Divi builder. You don't have to do any coding or such kind of thing. So you just have to click on this and you can edit this over here. Okay, for this one, because this is having the link, okay, this is not having the link, but you might want to link this to works page, or if you want to put over here like the home that you want to that you must want to link this home to the home page. Okay, now let me tell you how you can do that. For example, if I just copy the location of this home, and I just have to select this one, and you have to click on this one, like this link icon, and you have to paste the URL over here and just click OK. Now as you can see, this becomes the blue because that don't look good, so you just have to head over to design and then text and then click on this link, and then you can edit the color. Okay, so now this becomes white as well. Now you can just save it. Okay, now same thing applies for this one, about and let's talk. Okay, so don't get confused and don't mess this thing. Okay, now let me explain you how you can do this mail thing. Okay, now for example, if you are having an email with the website at example.com, now you have to link this, because if someone wants to click, or if someone clicks on this mail, if they are using the phone, that might go to the particular app, right? So now to do that, you just have to click on this link, and here you can see the mail to, and then the column. So now you have to edit this mail over here to make that thing possible. Okay, now let me just close this one, and let's move to the other part of the website. Alright, so we are done with the header and footer, and now I'm going to tell you how you can edit the most advanced CSS sections in which we are using CSS. Obviously, I'm not going to cover all these sections over here, if you can see, and because these are the like a normal Divi builder sections, so if I cover them, and that will make this video very long, and I don't want that. I just want to cover those things that that you can't find on internet. Actually you can find, but this is the customized child theme, so I just want to cover those things which is like different from others and something like that. Okay, so now these sections are quite basic, and you can edit that without knowledge of advanced Divi. Okay, alright, these are quite basic sections that are built using Divi builder. Okay, I'm not going to cover those stuff. Okay, let's move to the home version 2, which is dark. So this is the copy version of the home one. It's just this is the dark version, and that one was the light version, like the white version. Okay, now let's move to the about page, and I will see if there's anything that comes under the advanced or CSS, something like that, so I can just explain you. But most of the website is built using the normal Divi builder. Okay, you don't have to worry about the website, but yeah, some of the part is using custom CSS because to make it better than others, and because we are having the option of CSS and we can make the theme better, so that's why we are using. Okay, but yeah, most of the website is just like a normal Divi builder. Okay, now we are in the our history page, and these are just like a Divi builder stuff. Okay, the image, the title text, sorry, the text module, again text module, and this is the blurb. I'm pretty sure that you know about the blurb. Okay, if you don't, it's very easy to use. Okay, these are the text, and then case study, which is the button. Okay, this button, text everywhere is text and nothing else. Okay, now let's move to the our services page, and let me see if there is anything that I can tell you or something that I can show you. Okay, no, nothing. Everything is quite basic over here, so let's move to the development page. But yeah, one thing that I will tell you, that will be very beneficial for you as well, because like if you want to change the color, or if you want to change the font, you can do in one click. Okay, and I'm going to explain you how you can do that. For example, if I just enable this visual builder, and let me explain you how you can do that. Okay, using this page, development page. For example, if I want to change the font of this lorem ipsum dolorset emit. Okay, now how I can do that. This is the font that we are using right now. Okay, I will just click on this, sorry, right click on this, and then we are having this find and replace. Okay, now just click on this. Now this will gonna change all the font that we are using in this page. Poppins. Okay, so Poppins is the font that we are using currently, and what we are going to use next, that we have to put it over here. Okay, for example, if I want to change, or if I want to replace that font with Muley, I will just click on this, and then I will have to click on this replace, and all the text that are using the Poppins font will get changed to Muley. I hope you get this, and I'm pretty sure that this is the very beneficial knowledge for you. Okay, you can use this on any Divi child theme or any Divi theme. Okay, this is not for this particular child theme. Okay, now same thing applies for the color as well. So for example, if I'm using the white color for this one, okay, not this one. White is like a kind of normal. White and black is exceptional. Okay, now let's talk about this orange. Now, for example, your color scheme is green, okay, not the orange one. So what you have to do is right click over here and then find and replace. Then you have to, this is the code that we are using right now, and replace with whatever the code you want to put next. Okay, so if you want, you can just go with the green, and this will change all the orange color with this code to the green with this code. Okay, so all the orange code, like for this one, every oh, I'm sorry, all the heading text we are using in the orange will get changed. Okay, so for the icons, you have to do in the another go. All right, let's just go to the our portfolio page, and let's see if there is anything that that is advanced or something like that. So I can just explain you. Nothing over here. Single portfolio, I don't think so. Yeah, we will get in the blog page, but not over here, because blog is kind of very basic in Divi, so we have to use CSS to make that better. Okay, pricing is normal. Let's go to the next section, which next page, which is the testimonials page, and this one is also very basic. Not basic actually, it's modern, but yeah, the Divi builder. Okay, the next page is FAQ page, so this one is also a normal one. Okay, now we are in the blog page, and as you can see over here, the sidebar, we are using the custom CSS. You can't see that, but I am explaining you. Okay, now to edit that, you just have to click on this appearance and then theme editor, and once you are in the theme editor, you will see this kind of thing which says style.css and additional CSS here. Okay, now to edit this, what you have to do, okay, now let's go to the blog sidebar title background color. Okay, now this is the background color that we are using, which is orange. Now for example, if I just cut this one, and if I put the black color and just explain and just update the file, and now let me just refresh this page so we can see all the title background color we are having from orange to black. Okay, now let me just revert this because I don't want that black color. All right, now let me just update the file. Now for example, if you want to okay, let's just go over here. For example, if you want to change this one as well, like the background color and the border color of this, what you have to do is somewhere over here you will see the search for this one. Okay, blog sidebar search bar input and border color. So now this is the border color, the orange, and this is the search bar background color. So here is the background color of the button over here, which is this search. Okay, you can edit everything, not everything actually, most of the thing that you think which is done by CSS. And if you don't get idea, no problem, you can always contact me at support@duogeeks.com, or if you want, you can connect with me with the messenger. You just have to go to my website divawesome.com, and at the right bottom you will see support or contact us. You just have to click on this, and that will redirect to messenger, and you can contact me over there. We are also having 2 hours of free service. So if in case you think that this is something I am not able to do, don't worry about that. You just have to give all the content and everything in one go. Okay, make sure in one go, because we only provide 2 hours as a free service. So make sure that you provide everything like text, images, and all those stuff in just one go, and we will cover all those stuff. Like we can replace the images, text, color, logo, and everything you want, but in 2 hours of service. Okay, if that exceed, then I will let you know, and if you want, you can just extend the service according to the requirement and everything. Okay, so now this is the part of the custom css, and okay, let me tell you how you can do that. So let's just scroll down. This is the pagination link. So if you can see, these are the default ones, and these are the current page number, which is which having the orange background color. So you can just edit it from here. Now what is the background color, like what is the default background color? If you head over to this page, and if you see, these are also having the background color, which is gray. So this is the gray one, f1, f3, f5. Okay, now this is quite simple. You can just edit it by yourself, and if you don't worry about that, you can just always contact me. Okay, yeah, now I'm pretty sure that everything is like a normal, which don't need any kind of advanced thing. Yeah, everything is quite basic. Let's go to the contact us page, and let me explain you how you can edit that. Yeah, everything is basic over here. One more thing that I forgot to tell you, which is very important. Now if I just go to the blog full width with sidebar, and these are the single blog post, and if I click on this, what you will see is the single blog post, right? But the content change every time when you publish a new post, but the designing is like structured in theme builder. Now let me explain you what is theme builder and how you can use that to make your website perfect and dynamic. Now if you see, we are using the 404 page, all authors page, search result, all category, all tags, all projects, all post. Okay, now 404 page is something like for example, if a user comes to your website by a broken link, or your domain is duogeeks.com, and if someone puts duogeeks.com / blah 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 blah, that comes under broken link, and that will be redirected to 404 page, which is kind of a dynamic page, right? Because if you publish a normal page, that gives you permalink, right? So if you make 404 page in the all pages, then that will be something like duogeeks.com / 404 page. So that is not a dynamic, that is static, right? Because if someone opens that link, then he will or she will see the 404 page. But if you want dynamic, you just have to use this theme builder. Now how you can edit that? You just have to click on this edit custom body, and you can edit the 404 page using the theme builder. Okay, now same thing applies for all author pages. Now let me just click on this. So now let me explain you how you can edit the author page. Now this is the author page that you can see, and if you create a new author in your website, or if you create a new user in your website, and if that user publish a new post, and if someone of your visitor visits that particular author, then this title will be replaced with the name of the author. Okay, now for example, because if you see over here, we are having this post author. So that particular post author will be appear over here like the name, and the image is also this dynamic. If you see over here, this will change as per the author. Again, this one and this description. So now let me just save it, and let me just cross this one. Okay, now same thing applies for the search result. So I'm not going to cover that, but if in case you have any problem, you can just contact me. Now let's come to the all post page, and let me explain you how this works. Okay, now if you see over here, this says your dynamic post title will display here. Okay, so don't just mess with this thing, you just have to design. Okay, if you want to change the color, you can do it from here, and everything you can do it from here, but I will suggest you not to touch this one, because if you do, that can destroy your website. Okay, yeah, this one is kind of very close to each other, so let me just put some spacing between those stuff. All right, yeah, okay, so this one, post content heading 1, all these things as well are the dynamic, so make sure not to edit this one. Instead, if you see over here, the ultimate guide to agency, this is the title, and that's the thing that I was talking about. So this is the title, like it's a dynamic title. And if you see author page, let me just click on this author, and if you see over here, it says lavish, yeah, I mean, this is blah blah blah, and this is the kind of a description which I have written in my dashboard, like in the user page. And then these are my articles only, which are published by myself, like lavish, everywhere is lavish. Okay, yeah, okay, perfect. So now let's just disable this one, and let's go to the, okay, same thing applies for the all projects, all tags, all categories. If in case you have any problem, you can always reach me at support@dogeeks.com, so don't worry about that. Make edits, don't worry about the fixes, I will do. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to purchase this child theme, link in the description, you can do it from there. And we are having the 10% off in our child theme, so if you want to have this child theme, this is the right time. Make sure to purchase it. And for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. We are having more than 100 layouts in our shop and more than 10 child themes in our shop, so if you want to have a look, link in the description, go check it out, purchase it. We are having the membership as well, which is very beneficial for you if you are a designer. Make sure to check them. And yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next video, and till then, take care and bye bye.